Hello everyone! Today I want to tell you about one of the best e-commerce platforms in the world, Easystore, which helps me make about $20,000 a month. This is a really functional site that I use all the time. In this short video, I'm going to show you a few life hacks that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best e-commerce category. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hi everyone, today I will speak about e-commerce. The service that we will be reviewing is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms. Its affordable pricing combined with powerful e-commerce features make it one of the top platform choices for both hobbyists as well as businesses. Since its launch in 2013, service has grown its set of features to make it increasingly easier to launch own e-commerce website and make money online without any coding skills. But should you sign up for this platform? Is it worth it? Does it have all the features that will supercharge your store? I will help you decide by evaluating this service. By the end of this review, I hope you'll have enough information to help you decide if you should sign up for this service. What is about? This service is an all-in-one e-commerce solution for individuals and businesses that want to launch their online store without any coding skills or spending too much money. You can sell using your own branded store or sell multi-channel by synchronizing your products across marketplaces like Lazada and Shopee. Many of you might already have guessed what service I'm talking about. This is exactly Easystore. Easystore has been a huge success in Malaysia. This budget e-commerce platform has enabled thousands of entrepreneurs to launch an online store with ease. It has proven to be extremely popular due to its competitive pricing and sophisticated features. And now, the Easystore platform is available for would-be e-commerce store operators based in the USA. So, how does the service translate stateside? Do the features hold up for an American audience? Options and features that you have access to as an Easystore subscriber. E-commerce website creation. Easily choose from one of the many themes. The options for building a website are as you would expect for a platform such as this. Designed for absolute beginners, the tools here are easy to use and intuitive. Easystore provides multiple themes for the store owner to choose from. Once you have selected a design for your website, you can simply set everything up with a one-click installation process. Theme Editor. For more experienced users, there is an inbuilt theme editor. This enables you to customize the theme you have chosen. Using the WYSIWYG editor, you can change the logo, favicon, colors, fonts, and a whole lot more. You can even alter the main layout of the site, all from the easy-to-use editor. Full control over HTML and CSS. For those that do have the skills, Easystore allows you to directly edit the HTML and CSS of your site. This was really beneficial in my experience, as I love to tweak the overall design in order to get exactly what I want from the look of the site. The fact that I could do this easily is a big thumbs up from me. Simplified e-commerce management. The features for actually managing your online store once it has been built is another real benefit of the Easystore platform. Even using their line plan, you will be able to keep a track of inventory, upload products, and manage sales with speed and efficiency. Let's take a closer look. Easy-to-use interface. As long as you have internet access, you will be able to log in to the Easystore platform in order to manage your website. This is especially helpful for any digital nomads or workaholics out there. 24/7 you will be able to view sales, inventory, and take care of business, whatever it may be. Product inventory management. The interface gives you full control over the visibility of your products, whether they are live or a specific launch date has been set. The same interface enables you to shuffle products around, highlighting some, providing sale items, or removing stock completely. Bulk upload tool. This excellent feature allows you to import or export a product using Excel CSV. These files enable you to bulk edit product information via simple spreadsheet. Payment and billing. An e-commerce platform is useless if it doesn't provide easy access to the world's major payment gateways. Again, this is where Easystore dominates. Whether your store is based in Malaysia or you're using the platform elsewhere in the world, your site will be extremely versatile when it comes to taking payments. The platform enables you to accept payments from local and overseas customers via 40-plus payment gateways with options. These include online banking, ATM, Visa Master, cash on delivery, and more. Shipping management. To keep things simple and fully automated when it comes to shipping costs, you can set the locations where you will be selling and then offer specific methods based on variables of your choice. These include flat rate shipping, quantity or weight-based rates, free shipping, self-pickup, automated customers' emails. From order confirmation to parcel fulfillment, every email that needs to be sent to customers can be set up in advance and then automatically delivered via the Easystore platform. The standard plan is designed for larger online stores and is the package I would recommend for serious e-commerce operators. The fee for this is currently a very low $24.50 a month, which is still in my opinion. The business plan is the top tier package and costs $64.50 a month. The big difference here is that everything is unlimited. You can have as many products and staff accounts as you like and have full access to all the featured apps. As the name implies, this plan is designed for large commercial enterprises. Where Easystore excels is the hugely competitive price point. At only $24.50 a month for their standard package, you will have everything you need to launch a fully operational online store. The light version, while even cheaper, is only recommended for those wishing to test the platform before diving in. As the pro section above shows, another real benefit of the platform is its ease of use. Everything is extremely intuitive and it's possible to have a site up running in no time. Bear in mind some of the issues such as lack of phone-based app management and the low level of online support content. These are minor gripes, however. Overall, a highly recommended e-commerce builder for those that want to get started on a limited budget.